Hello everyone, my name is Ayanna, and today I'm going to show you how to submit a voucher to pay for tuition at Broward College. First, you go to www.broward.edu and you're going to see a header that says Paying for College. You're going to click on this header and you're going to scroll down to How to Pay. You'll be taken to this page that says Cashier at the top, and now scroll down to where it says Sponsors. You can submit your voucher and other paperwork that you might need at collegebureausar@broward.edu. Now write down or copy this email address because you're going to be using it later. Now log into your Broward College account. Next, open your Outlook account. Click New Message. Now type in or copy the email that we just wrote down. For the subject, I'm putting voucher, but you can put anything that pertains to you. Now attach the voucher that you got. Click Browse this computer. Here's the voucher. And also attach your student ID number. Here's Sammy the Seagull's ID. Now you're ready to send it off. And you're done. Thank you so much for watching.